Listen up. A dull roar. I've had it open for about 5 minutes, inspecting it, looking. It is not roaring like a queenless colony. I guess my point is, can you attribute a colony being mean, aggressive, stinging, chasing you to the car, to the house, on a colony being queenless? No, you cannot always count on, just because a colony is queenless, for it to be mean, defensive, aggressive, stinging. I do have a veil on because I am at my swarm yard. This hive has swarmed on me. This frame has a capped queen cell on it. And this one has one that's about to be capped on it. So I can chalk this swarm up to too many bees, not enough time for one person to deal with, but hey, that's why this is a swarm yard. But they're not stinging, they're not being aggressive, they're completely queenless. There is no open brood whatsoever in this hive. Well, I take that back. That queen cell is actually still open. It will be capped probably today. We are June 28th, so if you're swarming that late, do I really care? No, especially up here. But we're going to have a post-summer solstice queen, so this girl, when she comes back, should be a rock star. She didn't get the memo that we're getting ready for winter yet, so she'll lay up and be a good fall layer. Just a quick tip video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.